It's all crowd participation. So if you want this guy to win, we need some noise. First, give it up for my man. Boom, 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 boom. Get some noise. I like that. Wild Things, come on, give it to us. Wild Things, where we are number 2. There it is. The crowd has spoken. So we got our 3 finalists. We're giving away a lot of money here tonight. This is the biggest costume contest ever. So we're going to need you guys to participate here. We're going to need some noise. We're going to start out with my man Bumblebee. Finalists right here. The first place winner is going to win $7,500. And one of the most gangster suites you're going to find here in Las Vegas are beautiful sky villas. It's between these two. Not these two. If you want Bumblebee to take home the crown of best costume ever, give me some fucking noise! If you want where the wild things are, give it fucking to me. Give it to me. Look it loud.
good friends who take very good care of me.
How long did it take you to make something like this?
I started last December and I finished last Saturday, 10 months. Yeah.
This is possibly one of the best concerts I've ever seen.
Thank you, I really appreciate it. That's why I made it.
And so far, the party here at Rain, has it been insane?
I am having the time of my life. I'm having so much fun right now. Thank you.
So can we expect a better one for next year?
You better believe it. I'll sure try.